If you want to stop the auto-renewal feature for your Swiggy subscription, follow these simple steps to ensure that you won't be charged automatically in the future. Step 1. Open the Swiggy app. Launch the Swiggy app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your subscription settings. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on the profile icon or the account section, usually located at the bottom right corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Access subscription settings. Look for the subscriptions or My Plans option in the account settings. Click on it to view your current subscription details. Step 4. Manage auto renewal. Find the option related to auto renewal settings. You should see an option to turn off or cancel auto renewal. Select this option to disable it. Step 5. Confirm changes. After turning off auto renewal, you may be prompted to confirm your choice. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the cancellation of the auto renewal feature. By following these steps, you can successfully stop the auto renewal for your Swiggy subscription. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to Swiggy customer support for assistance.